If you have a lot of experience with earlier versions of Windows, you may be very familiar with the control panel. Microsoft is trying to phase out the control panel, or at least give another way of accessing the same functionality. But if the control panel is what you prefer, let's make a shortcut to it. Click on Start and type the word Control. You'll see the control panel option. Right-click and choose Pin to Start. Right-click again and choose Pin to Taskbar. Now you have on your taskbar a control panel icon, which you can drag to any position you like. Open the control panel. And on Start, you have a control panel tile, which again, you can move to any position you like.